So you're still in the same area?
Yes. Live at the same house where me rent for myself.
Alright, what not, So why didn't you go to maybe somewhere else, like far out, maybe off the island or maybe one next part? If you did that west, where you never go, we are not.
Then would I tell me say me not to go back to the area where they moved me from, but where they put me, and they may still there.
Yeah, okay. So nobody know you're there? Of course not.
Not even my family. Just me alone as on God.
Wow.
It's a very rough.
So me can but family can call you or they can come and visit or no?
The family can come, yes. Come look.
Oh, but them just don't know where you're there.
They just don't know where me there.
Lord Jesus.
It's not an easy road, you know. I tell you might feel like say I want easy road. It's not an easy road. Sometimes you don't have food to eat. The old then come then give me money because me threaten and tell them say the bogus people they have money. So that's why they give me this money. And then send it to my account. Last week Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
The statements of Patrick Roberts cannot be identified and or corroborative. These are the statements of the speaker, not of the statements of or the views of the host.
Repeat that for me, Marsha, and louder.
Okay. The statements of Mr. Patrick Robert, number 5, username at 10:02 Jamaica time, is of Mr. Patrick Andrew 5, not of the host and or of anyone on this live. They cannot be corroborated, nor do we have any evidence in order to insert our opinions on such information that is being disclosed.
That is it. Thank you. All right. Sir, as she was saying that. So let me ask you now, Patrick.
Yes.
So what would you like me to do? What you want from me, you know?
It's just that, you know, when me do when me there now, the rent when me play at 35,000. Me just need back that's me can pay me rent a month time. That's all. Understand me now when
yeah, but
money,
if you get 600,000,
me have to try to invest in a something. Cause me no want me even touch it yet. Cause me no know because
then how you gonna pay your rent, sir?
I go pay for October and November and December. I want to pay 3 months one time. That's 105,000. And then buy a little food and try pinch it.
But me did that thing say, you know, if what you're saying is true, Marsha, he should not live so close to the area.
It is of his choice, as he stated to us.
Me tell him me nah move up and down again. You know much time then the things then what then do is a disgrace. And not just because of 2 policemen they rob one business.
All right, sir. I don't want you to talk about the case here.
Yeah, all right.
Do not talk about the case here, Marsha. I don't want him to speak on the case here.
Absolutely not.
Do not speak on the case here. Mr. Robert, I'm gonna take you down for I'm gonna take you down. I know disrespect, sir. I'm sorry, me sorry about Wagwan. Me not try to chat English, me a chat na patwa, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just sorry Wagwan with you right now, you know, but me no want you bring the case over here. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Me no want you bring the case over here. I bring the case over here.
The situation is a rough. I don't like people at tell. That, and Mr. Chang must look into it. Because the Ministry of Security, if you look into it, everybody life count in a Jamaica. And everybody life value. Don't look down upon nobody. Because without no witness, you can't have a case. And when you have to go to court and testify, because when the lawyer them turn you that the way they and turn you this the way if you get the truth out of you, and when they say they can't, and when they still lose. Understand? Yeah, it's a good thing because without no witness, you don't have a case, none at all.
So what are some of the things you like the witness protection? What more, Marsha? Read it for me.
Well, first, Mr. Patrick, I would like to advise you that digitally and in press briefing, the DPP, which I was trying to allude it earlier, has acknowledged that there are areas in which they need to improve on the specific program in which you have stated you are part of, although we cannot identify nor corroborate the information that you brought here. Yes, the program is under Minister of National Security, Dr. Chan's portfolio. However, the DPP is analyzing and looking into ways in which to improve the program. So they have publicly stated that they have publicly stated.
You know, sir, that they want you to say.
I have to be honest.
What you say no. For the witness protection, Patrick, what more would you like them to do?
I was going to go there, Scrub.
Yeah, but you give this long speech like how Andrew give it.
That is the correct political way to do it.
No, but me not political. Maybe that's why them a follow me, because them know say me not busy with politics. What you say, Patrick?
I want them to treat the witness them with more care, treat them with more love and respect. Treat them very good, just like then that treat them children. Don't show them no bad face. Don't treat them bad. Don't make them get hungry. Because many times they don't have nothing to eat. Even the prisoner have food to eat. Because remember, a prisoner get 3 meals a day.
No, sir. And the people them family can't go get them.
Oh, okay.
When I tell me reading our paper, when they say them serve exco beach fish. Look here.
You can eat one day and one time for the day. You can eat food.
So we don't know. So you're saying that the prisoner gets served. All right. So you said the prisoner gets served 3 meals a day.
Yes, and the witness only can eat maybe 1 time or 2. Depends. Understand?
So wait a minute. So them just give you 1 meal a day?
Yeah.
Well, maybe the meal them give them a thing. So if you sure someone put on some. No, I'm not be come now. They must say things if you sure someone put on some. I don't know, sir.
No, but that is not right, because if you take a person from
alright, so you're saying that you're supposed to get 3 meals a day?
Treat them with more respect, because without them you don't have a case. And when you go to court and have to testify in a court against a person have a hatred for you for life.
That's true, and your family and your family, Lord Jesus.
Mr. Patrick, did you know that they're supposed to assist you before, during, and after the trial? And if you decided that you want to leave the island of Jamaica, that specific program assists you to migrate overseas as part of your exit portfolio?
So, Mr. Patrick, why you never asked to go to a small island? Maybe, I don't know.
I will do it to me, because it's the one. I did get a job with them in 2011.
Oh, then you up to
2011, I may leave them because the way I see them treat the people them, I never like that situation. So
then you up to then, big boy, man.
Listen when me I say no scrub. Me I talk before the case.
Then Patrick, you know, say, hey, Patrick, I call me scrub. Hey, Patrick, a long time you watch me.
Then I must. And I time when you keep me company when me then I host and stress out.
Yeah, so what kind of stress you have, sir? Sex stress or just regular stress?
No, I can't about sex stress, man. Come on.
Me ask you, me no know.
Remember saying look.
No, sir, me just ask you a question. Come
no,
on.
Man,
you don't know what's slow already. Me just ask.
Not sex stress, man. Not sex stress.
You know what kind of stress?
Then remember saying when you have...
don't know, because maybe you used to get your woman regular and now, me don't know.
No, man, me not talk about the woman. Because that are the least.
Yeah,
alright. When you have a family and you know your family, the son you never can see them.
Yeah, that's true.
I know what they do. When the time, when in 2017, Then come and tell me say them are going to help me daughter. And make 3 gunmen go rape me daughter, you know. Them are the only people me give them.
Allegedly.
Me give the information. And a 3 gunmen go rape her that time she has 17.
Alright, sir, it's alleged. Oh God. And you're sitting there and you cannot do anything. Mighty God. Alright, so hold on. Alright, Patrick, Marsha, alright, wait. Patrick, you throw down too much for me, I know, Lord Jesus.
The amount when me throw down for you couldn't take in one.
Sir?
And it to boil up from 2013, so tell now how much year that, ma'am?
From 2013.
Yeah, the 10th of October 2013.
Oh my God. Sir, Iwa.
Yeah.
Alright, Patrick. Marsha, what would I say to him now? Patrick, hear what? Because I was listen to me. Me don't want to feel like me I run you, you know.
Right.
Me don't want to feel like me I run you.
Have you reached out to the justice support within the DPP that handles the witness protection?
I couldn't reach out to it because the soup give me a fight. Because first of all, he locked me up for 73 days. Right? Without in charge, I make me face 15 ID parade. And this is a true fact. Right? I want alligator state sergeant to alligator pan. If he take up the case, I succumb. And 2014, he put me on the program. The things when he do me. May I tell her, it's sometimes may I tell her. I couldn't believe that one man so wicked.
You're stating some serious information here.
Yeah. Mr.
Unfortunately, we don't have any corroborative information.
May I tell her, may I even go to this
Patrick, me know say you want to go vent to a scrub, but here what we are going to do. I want to choose my words, because you know, so I'm not good pan choose word, you know. Somebody help me with the dictionary word them you know for chat. Come, chat, what should I say to this gentleman? Because when you know so I'm not good for choose word.
Let me help you here. I do understand.
Maybe hear from the chat. Come no man, cause chat always help me. Yes. I know so I'm not good pan choosing what you know. I mean I want to say wrong sitting.
But Scrub, in fairness to the witness protection program, they're there to help before, they're there to help during and after. He has stated that he has been in this specific program since 2013 to present, and he has
21 the case